All right, so welcome back. Let's look at our slide here and then see what we are expected to do. Quickly, here we have in the summary sheet, calculate the number of countries that have full access per population. That is the number of full access occurrences in each of the newly created columns ARC underscore N underscore full. So it means that in those columns, we are counting how many of the countries have full access. So let's go quickly and look at that and then see what next. So here we are here. So we have the national, we have rural, and then we have urban. Now, because we are asked to count with a certain condition, you will see that I use the count if because we are counting with a certain condition. Now, if it is the ordinary condition of whether they are numbers in the column or text in the column, you can use the count or the count A options. But then, if it is about a condition rather than a text or a number, then it should be the count if. So you can see from the formula here, we have the count and then where the particular range of values that we are counting the if from. And then what is the condition? The condition is full access. That is the condition. So we are saying check from I2 all the way to maybe I63, 463, and then count those that have full access written in them because we have put it in the quotation mark. So anything short of that, it will not count. Even if you miss one S, it will not count. So please, let's look at it. So we enter and then we know what we have here. Now, because you can see that this particular column refers to column I, and means that the next one will follow J and then K. So if I decide to drag this down, it will not follow because we are dragging it along a particular column. So there are two ways. Quickly, let me take you through it. I will just copy what I have here. I just copy everything and then come and put it here. Now here, I will change this one to J and I'll change that also to J. And I will have my answer here. I would repeat the same process here. Okay. So I'll repeat the same process, paste in the formula that I have. Okay, so let me do the right thing. So I'll paste in the formula that I have copied. There's not supposed to be a space here. Okay, so now from ij we go to what? K. So I put K here and then K there and okay, K here, and I should have the correct answer. So these are the figures or the values for our full access counting the various columns. Now, one of the easiest way that you can do this is to have it in another form, that is to have it horizontal. So if I transpose this to horizontal, I have it like this. And with that particular formula that we have, for instance, if you have this, yes, if you have this formula and you bring it here, okay, so if you have it like this, once you just use the fill handle and you drag it here, you have all your answers perfectly done for you. So you choose whichever way you think is easy for you. Thank you.